Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been battling stubborn acne that refuses to respond to standard treatments, the AcneFree Severe Acne 24-hour clearing system promises a structured, dermatologist-inspired approach. This 4-step kit combines maximum-strength benzoyl peroxide and retinol, designed specifically for persistent blemishes. Let's break down how it performs in real life. The system includes an oil-free acne cleanser, a witch hazel mattifying toner, a maximum-strength acne lotion, and a retinol night cream. Each product targets a specific step: cleansing, toning, treating active blemishes, and gently exfoliating overnight. The cleanser removes excess oil and debris without over-drying, while the toner helps control shine throughout the day. The acne lotion is formulated to fight current blemishes and prevent new ones, and the retinol night cream supports gentle resurfacing of the skin while you sleep. The kit is fragrance-free, oil-free, and built on dermatological research, making it suitable for sensitive, oily, and acne-prone skin. In my experience incorporating this into a daily routine, I noticed that the cleanser foams lightly and rinses clean without leaving residue. The toner felt refreshing but slightly astringent, which is normal for controlling oil. The acne lotion absorbs quickly, though it can feel slightly drying if over-applied. The retinol night cream has a smooth texture and layers well under moisturizer. Consistency is key here. The system is not a one-night fix, but over a few weeks, blemishes were visibly reduced and skin texture felt smoother. One thing to note, the benzoyl peroxide can bleach fabrics, so caution with towels or pillowcases is necessary. Retinol can also increase sun sensitivity, so diligent SPF use is essential during the day. The strengths of this system lie in its comprehensive, step-by-step approach, high-potency active ingredients, and dermatology-backed formulation. On the flip side, it can be drying for some skin types, and patience is required to see results. Regarding value, the AcneFree Severe Acne 24-hour clearing system is priced competitively for a full 4-step regimen, considering the concentration of active ingredients and the scope of the kit. If you're seeking a lower-cost alternative, simpler benzoyl peroxide or retinol treatments could offer partial benefits, but they won't provide the structured 4-step system that tackles multiple aspects of acne. The packaging is practical, hygienic, and travel-friendly, with pump dispensers and screw caps that maintain product integrity. With consistent use, the kit demonstrates good longevity. The cleanser and lotion last several weeks, and the night cream maintains efficacy over time. Customer support from AcneFree is known to be responsive, and the brand is widely recommended by dermatologists, which adds an extra layer of trust. If you've tried other acne treatments with limited success, this kit could be a game changer, especially for those with persistent or severe acne. For best results, follow the 4-step routine daily, monitor your skin's tolerance, and complement with sun protection. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, the AcneFree Severe Acne 24-hour clearing system delivers on its promise for targeted, intensive acne care. It's best suited for anyone struggling with frequent, stubborn blemishes who needs a structured, potent approach. For those willing to commit to a consistent routine, this system can significantly improve skin clarity and texture. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase this kit is in the description box below. If you've used this system, drop a comment and let us know your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.